Hello students, welcome to Umadevi Children Academy. Today we are discussing the topic is the Schrödinger equations. So Schrödinger has explained the one of the new theory, that is quantum mechanical model of atom. Right students, the quantum mechanical model of atom, the Schrödinger has given the one of the new theory, that is the quantum mechanical model of atom. So what is meant by quantum mechanics? It means it is a branch of science with the study of dual behavior of matter called as quantum mechanics. Right students? So the dual behavior of matter means the electron which plays the both role, the particle nature as well as the wave nature. Right students? So that the study of the dual behavior of matter called as a quantum mechanics. Right. So the light which behave as a particle as well as wave nature, and the electron also behave as a particle as well as wave nature. So study of the dual behavior of matter called as quantum mechanics. Right students? So it deals with the study of microscopic object, both wave and particle natures. It deals with the study of microscopic object. Microscopic object means the nucleus, electrons, etc. These are the microscopic object. So these electrons which plays wave as well as particle nature. The quantum mechanics developed by Heisenberg and the Erwin Schrödinger. These are the two scientists who developed the quantum mechanics. And the Erwin Schrödinger has given the one equation, that is the H psi, this is the psi, equal to E psi. Right? So what is meant by H psi, E psi, students? The H is the Hamilton operator. Hamilton operator means it is a types of operator, mathematical operator, like the subtraction, addition, multiplication, division we have to be done with some values, that is Hamilton operator. Right. So next is the psi. Psi means it is the wave functions. It is the wave function. Wave function means according to the Schrödinger state that the electron which behave as a wave nature as well as the particle nature. Electron behave as a wave nature as well as the particle nature. So the electrons in the atom, electrons are available in any region. It is not located on the fixed position. It cannot be located on the fixed position, rather than it located at the any region on this space. Any region in this space it occupy, that is wave function. That's friends. So H is the Hamilton operator and the psi is the wave function. What is wave function? Wave function is probability of finding electron in an atom called as wave function. It means, think that there is the atom. In this atom, electrons may be occupy here, electron may be occupy here, electron may be occupy here. The electrons are occupying any region. Electrons are occupying in the any region, that is we call as a wave function. Right students? According to the Bohr, when we move according to the Bohr theory, according to Bohr, what he state? He state that the atom in which electrons are rotate fixed path, fixed energy level and the fixed radius. So he given the value of the radius is 0.53 n square by z. This value is given. The stationary state of the radius of the atom is 0.53 n square by z angstrom. right? So, but the according to the Schrodinger has explained that if electrons are play the role of waves, if electron play the role of wave nature as well as the particle nature, right? So it plays the role of wave means the electrons may be occupy any region. It may be occupy in the any region it occupy in the region, not fixed. Either may be occupy here, it may be occupy here, it may be occupy here. So electrons are occupying any region. So in this region, the probability of in this region we are finding electrons, this region, or probability of this region we are finding electron, or probability of this region we are finding electron. So probability of electrons may be possible here, probability of electrons may be possible here, probability of electrons may be possible here. So probability of electrons are possible in any region, that is we called as a wave functions. Right, students? So this expression gives the information about total energy of the system taken into the account kinetic energy of the subatomic particles. So whatever the expression is there, students, the expression is H psi is equal to E psi. So this expression gives the information about the system which the calculate the kinetic energy of subatomic particles, kinetic energy of the subatomic particles, the attraction between the electron proton and repulsion between the attraction electron between the electron and between the nucleus. So account of the kinetic energy of subatomic particles, the attractive force and repulsive force between the electrons and nucleus. So if electrons are possible here, in any region electrons are possible, it means maybe attractions may be present here, or repulsion, attraction from nucleus to electron may be present, or repulsion between the electron to electron may be present here. Right, students? The hydrogen atom of Schrodinger equation. The Schrodinger equation has the equation for the hydrogen atom possible energy level electron can occupy corresponding to the wave function, electron associated with the energy level. So it means when electrons are occupy, some regions are occupy, the electrons in some regions are more electrons are occupy here, right? Okay, wait, just a minute. So this is the atom in which the nucleus, the some more electrons are occupied here in this region. So when electrons are closer to the nucleus, it means it is a low energy. Some electrons are occupied here, maybe they occupy here, it means electrons are far away from the nucleus, it means these are in a high energy. Right, students? So wave function of electrons, the hydrogen atom, the possible energy level of electrons can occupy corresponding wave function of electrons and associated with the energy. So it means the electrons may be occupied here, or maybe closer to the nucleus, or maybe far away from the nucleus. It depends upon the energy level of the electrons. Right, students? If electron closer to the nucleus, it is a lower energy. Electrons far away from the nucleus, it means it is the higher energy. Right, students? Okay. So next is, students, the next point. When electrons in any energy state, the wave function corresponds to the energy state contain all information about the electrons. So whatever we are considered as a wave function, if electrons are occupying any region, either may be closer to the nucleus or far away from the nucleus, any region, so it gives the wave function psi. It gives the information about the electrons. How information gives? The information means it is the if electrons are more condensed here, in the condensed form here. Electrons are here more condensed. In this region, electrons are more condensed form. More condensed form. Electrons are more condensed means there is a probability of electrons is more here. Probability of electron is more. So it means psi is greater here. Psi is greater. Psi is greater. And in this region, the one more reason, the probability of electrons like this. If like this means the probability of electrons are far away from the nucleus and the only less number of electrons are present, so psi is less number, right? So psi is less, psi value small means the probability of electron is less in this case. So psi value is large, psi value is high number. If psi value high means the more number of electron is present here, so it is high number. Right, students? So wave function is a mathematical function whose value depend upon calculate the electrons in atom, does not carry any physical meaning. So psi, whatever psi is there, students, this psi doesn't have any kind of the physical meaning. It doesn't have the physical meaning, right? Doesn't have the physical meaning. It just indicate that the electrons actual positions, electrons, the maybe actual position of the electrons or possibility of high number of electrons in the atom. So it does not have any kind of the physical meaning, right, students? Does not have any kind of physical meaning like the mass m, velocity v. It cannot have a particular physical meaning. It just indicates that the psi value is large, probability of electron in the atom is more. Probability of electron is more. Maybe electrons may be present here. If psi value is small means the probability of electron is less. Only less number of electrons are present here. Right, students? It doesn't have any physical meaning. So wave like of hydrogen atom or hydrogen like species with one electrons called as the atomic orbital. So wherever the electrons are occupied, students, wherever the electrons are occupied, the hydrogen or hydrogen like species, whenever the electrons are occupied, that portion we called as a atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals. It means the atomic orbital means it is the location of electrons. It gives the location of electrons in the atom, either in hydrogen or hydrogen like species. The location of electrons are called as the atomic orbitals. So probability of finding electron at the point within the atom, the proportional to modulus of psi square. Modulus of psi square means this is modulus. This is modulus, students. This is modulus. This is psi square, right? So the probability of electron is proportional to the modulus of psi square. It means the probability of electrons. It means the possibility of locating electrons. Possibility of locating electron is designated by the proportional to the psi square. Psi square value high or psi square value large, the more number of electron is present. More number of electron present. Psi square value is small, that is less number of electrons are present here. Right, students? So it gives the and the Bohr's model. Right, students? Bohr's model only applicable for it is applicable for hydrogen and hydrogen like species like the helium ion, lithium ion, beryllium ion, etc. Right? So it is not possible for the multi-electron like sodium. It is not possible for the multi-electron like sodium. But the Schrödinger wave equation, it gives the information about the multi-electron atom also. It gives the information about the multi-electron also. If electrons are behave as a wave nature, it means wave nature. If some atoms have a high number of electrons, it means the possibility of electrons may be located on this portion, or possibility of electrons are located on the these portions, right? So application of the Schrödinger wave, the multi-electron in the atoms, it cannot solve the how the electrons, how multi-electrons are present in the atom, it cannot solve, but it solved that the orbital of the atom hydrogen do not differ from the radical wave from the hydrogen orbital discussed above. It means friends, so whatever the multi-electrons are there, according to Bohr atoms, the Bohr atoms it only for the hydrogen and hydrogen like species, the helium, beryllium, lithium, etc., right? It cannot hold for the sodiums. But so this Schrödinger wave equation is cannot explain about the multi electrons, but it explain the hydrogen do not differ any radicals. Hydrogen atom, the exact location of the electrons in the hydrogen atom, it is more or less similar to the other atoms also. It is more or less similar to the other atoms. The same manners they are shifting the electron from the hydrogen atoms or the other atoms. Right, friends? The most important difference lie in the increased nuclear charges, because all the orbitals somewhat the contracted. So as the nuclear charge increase means the electron which is closer to the nucleus. Electrons are closer to the nucleus because of the some contracted, right? So due to the increased nuclear charge, electrons and the nucleus between the increase in the nuclear attraction. If nuclear attractions are increased means the electrons are more closer to the nucleus. Probability of electrons are occupy around the nucleus only. Right, students? And unlike the hydrogen atom and hydrogen like species whose energy depend upon the quantum number, right? So quantum number means the smallest particle, that is we call as a quantum number. So whatever the hydrogen and hydrogen like species are there, their electrons, their energy are depend upon the quantum numbers. Right, students? The energy of the multi-electron depend upon the quantum number n and l. What is n and l? We will discuss in the further next class, students. So quantized energy state corresponding wave function. What are quantized means, students? Quantized means the smallest particle. The quantized means the smallest particle or macroscopic particle like electrons. So that is the quantized. The quantized energy state of the wave function. What is the electron is the electrons which showing the property of wave function. So that wave functions are described in three factors: principal, azimuthal and magnetic quantum numbers. So what is this principal, azimuthal quantum number? We will discuss in the further next class, students. Okay, thank you.